What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to customize weekly workout plan for your muscles and fat loss. Uh, this is going to be a very to the point one because I'm going to go ahead and select 4 days in a week to work out because I have a job to do. I have to make meals for myself. I'm living alone in a separate apartment. So all things, everything is in my hand. And I'm also going through an obesity problem where I'm kind of overweight as for my BPI. So right now I have written first the rules, then the primary fitness goal: build muscles, increase endurance, lose body fat, current fitness level, intermediate or advanced, available equipment, home gym with dumbbells or strictly body weights, 4 days a week, maximum 45 minutes per session, target area for body focus, core strength, building lower body power, and removing belly fat, six packs. Absolutely none. So here's a complete plan. How this plan works: you will train 4 days per week using a split that hits your whole body while leaning into your priorities, lower body power, and core. So first thing, warm up, movement, duration of reps, light cardio, jog in a place or jumping jacks, 2 minutes, leg swings, front to back and side to side, then each leg, each direction, body weight squats, 15 reps, arm circles, 20 seconds each direction, was greatest stretch, five each sides, glute bridges, 15 reps. This is the warm up. And after that, there is a day one lower body power and strength core, which is goes like this. Then day two, then day three, then day four, and then there are core activities that you need to do, and then cool down for the recovery period with the right meals to increase the protein in your diet. So that's how it goes. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.